So I would like to welcome Dr. Deepa Pandey, Dr. Rajendra Sharma, Dr. Deepak, Dr. Dinesh Sharma, Dr. Shubhagata Avasthi, Dr. Divya, Mr. Pankaj Srivastava, and Mr. Arun Tomar, who are coordinating all the things to have this test on today. We are having very renowned psychologist also in my list. Like as I told you, Dr. Deepa Pandey is a renowned psychologist. Dr. Rajen Sharma, he is also a renowned psychologist. Dr. Deepak, Dr. Shubhagata Avasti, and Dr. Divya. They all are very, renowned, personality in field of psychology. So they all have put up their, heart and soul to make this test successful. So before starting this particular test, I would like to do a small briefing about the Amity, and then we'll start this particular session and this test. So I would request Mr. Arun Tomar to kindly start the PPT about the Amity Education Group. So see, before starting this session, because this whole process has been done by Amity Education Group, or I should say Amity University, Madhya Pradesh. So we should know about the university who is organizing this, particular test. So if I'll not be wrong if I'll say that Amity is one of the Asia's largest education group because of the below figures. I can bet these figures which I'm discussing with you. These figures are very much unique, and it is owned by only the Amity. If you will find out through the internet, you will not find these figures with any other university or the institution, not only India but even in Asian level. So if I just talk about the total strength of the Amity, so 1,75,000 students are studying in Amity University. We are having the 6,000 faculties and scientists. Basically, why we are putting up the scientists? Because our all faculty members are PhD researchers, and not only PhD researchers, but they are renowned scientists also. They are engaged in research and development in multiple discipline, and they all are helping student to understand the concepts from scratch to the top, so that the student also will become expert in that particular domain area. We are having 10 universities in India, that is in Noida, Gurgaon, Greater Noida, Lucknow, Jaipur, Mumbai, Gwalior, Calcutta, Raipur, Ranchi, Patna, and Bangalore. Apart from that, this year we are starting our two new campuses. One is in Chandigarh, and second is about to be announced. 150 institutions we are having under this particular umbrella, which is the largest number of institution, operated by any education group. We are having 13 overseas campuses also. We are having presence not only in India, but abroad, like in London, Singapore, New York, Dubai, Abu Dhabi, then Sharjah, Mauritius, South Africa, Kenya, Amsterdam, San Francisco, and Tashkent. These are very famous campuses of Amity University. 26 schools we are having. Definitely, we are not only in higher education, but we are from K-12 to the higher education. Then 2,000 acre of campuses we are having. This is a very big, like landscape for any institution is owned by any group in India. 20 million square feet buildings we are having. 300 programs we are running covering 1660 disciplines. This is the largest number of programs owned by or offered by any university group. Amazing thing, 1,200 patents. This is a uniqueness of Amity University. Why Amity is not only a name, but it's an international fame because of this. 1,200 patents are filed by our renowned faculties, renowned scientists, and the students also. 2,700 case studies are developed by the faculties as well as the students. 300 research projects, which is funded by government and the private agencies for the research and development in multidisciplinary areas to have the research and development in a very in-depth manner and to have the innovation in multiple domains. Apart from that, like it's a very proud moment to to discuss with you. We have three lakhs alumni across the globe. I can bet you can put up a map of the world and you can put up your finger on any country, developed country I'm talking about. We will have our student there who are working in a good position in any company. So that makes Amity very much different from others. And definitely because of these all things, like Amity is famous for infrastructure, Amity is famous for faculties like academic excellence, placements, multiple awards. That's why Amity has been ranked India's #1 not-for-profit private university by the government and non-government agencies. So this is a small view about the Amity Group, which is very much unique and which you will find only in Amity's domain, not anywhere else. So with this particular a little briefing, it's a I can I'm just telling you this is only a little briefing about the Amity. If I'll just go ahead for the complete presentation, it will take a complete day, because many development happened in past 6 to 7 years in Amity campuses, or I should say the spread of Amity Group. So now I would like to, invite Dr. Divya Chauhan here to take up this session. She will discuss with you like what is CPT basically, career personality test. She will discuss with you and how this test will help you to take the decision to choose the best career for your life. So I would like to invite Dr. Divya to kindly take over this session and discuss all the in depth about this CPT.
Right. Thank you, Swapnil sir, and good afternoon to all of my participants over here. My name is Divya. As Swapnil sir has introduced you, I am assistant professor in clinical psychology in Amity. And today, Amity University Gwalior has come up with this very unique program, which is called as CPT, which is a career and personality test. And it will basically help you to define your personality, help you to choose right career, what all you want, what is your ability, what are the inborn talent which you have. So this is basically initiative by Amity University for the young students who are about to choose their career. So we always have these questions: how are you smart and how smart are you? So sometimes we all of us say that we are very intelligent, I'm super intelligent. Sometimes we have so many self-doubts and so many self-questions and inferiority complex which we deal with. And we are not able to understand what is intelligence and am I capable or not? So this self-doubt is something which all of young adults and you teenagers have. And today we are going to deal with this question. So I would like to say that we all are smart, we all are very smart, but in very different ways. So I would like to explain this method in something which is as by giving you an example. So our human mind is like a personalized advanced computer. And like we give input to the hard disk by certain commands to the brain, same in manner our human brain is being given certain stimulus, certain actions which yield certain behavior as well. तो जिस तरीके का इनपुट हम कंप्यूटर को देते हैं उस तरीके का आउटपुट देते हैं, तो वह आउटपुट आता है, वैसा ही हमारा ब्रेन का फंक्शन भी है. अभी कुछ चीजें वी आर बॉर्न, हम ऑलरेडी हमारे ब्रेन में हम बॉर्न हुए हैं उन एबिलिटीज के साथ एंड विच आर already there. It's your duty to enhance that ability. It's your duty to choose a career which works on your strength. जो आपके अंदर already built strength है, the motive is to work on your ability so that you will be give 100% and you will not be frustrated in later year of your careers. People are very frustrated. They don't feel like it's their job. They don't feel like best suited person for this job. So best time is the time when you are to decide what sort of career you have, which is to be determined by what sort of personality and what sort of intelligence you possess. So this is what multiple intelligence model defines. ये ही मल्टीपल इंटेलिजेंस मॉडल के बेसिस है. तो मैं बहुत ब्रीफ में बताना चाहूंगी कि मल्टीपल इंटेलिजेंस कहते किसको है, मल्टीपल इंटेलिजेंस ओरिजिनेट कहाँ से हुआ है बेसिकली. सो वी हैव दिस वेरी रिनाउंड साइकोलॉजिस्ट एज हार्वर्ड गार्डनर. So Howard Gardner, basically, he is the first person, he mentioned that intelligence is not one kind. Intelligence does not just say that your general knowledge is very good, your current affair is very good, you score very good in academic. It doesn't mean that you are intelligent. Intelligence is any person who possesses certain speciality, which have certain strengths, which have certain abilities, which is redefined, and they have particular interests as well. This is what this multiple intelligence model basically explains us. So this person has given us, he basically talked about different multiple intelligence, and as per him, there are 8 kinds of personality. So he has come down to, and he has jotted down to only 8 of them. Today, I am going to briefly tell you about what all these multiple intelligences are. So logical intelligence, visual intelligence, musical intelligence, interpersonal, kinesthetic, interpersonal, naturalistic, and linguistic are those 8 intelligence which Gardner has talked about. And I'm very sure all of you have it. So if I were to ask all of you, and if I मैं अगर आपको बोलूं कि अब आप इंट्रोस्पेक्ट करो और आप सोचो कि क्या आप नेचर स्मार्ट हैं, क्या आप पीपल स्मार्ट हैं, क्या आप नंबर स्मार्ट हैं, पिक्चर स्मार्ट है, सेल स्मार्ट है, बॉडी यूज करने में स्मार्ट है, म्यूजिक स्मार्ट है, या वर्ड स्मार्ट है. तो मैं अब आप लोग को इनके बारे में एक एक ब्रीफ करके बताऊंगी और आप अपनी पर्सनल ऑब्जर्वेशन से नोट करेंगे कि मैम, yes, this is the personality, this is the ability which we have, and based upon this we're going to have a test, we're going to have an assessment. So if you people are verbal and linguistic intelligence, अगर मैं बोलूं कि आप में से कितने लोग verbal linguistic intelligence हैं, a person who is able to utilize words and language very well, a person who is able to read, is very interested in reading, is able to memorize what all being taught to them, or if they read something, they have very good ability to memorize. How many of us are very good with playing word games, and how many of us are very, very well versed and comfortable with using internet? So the person is having these all intelligence and these all aspects. If you people have these aspects in you, then you will be called as verbal and linguistically intelligent. And same goes for other aspects. For example, आप में से बहुत सारे लोग होंगे जो मैथमेटिक्स को बड़ा पसंद करते होंगे या लॉजिकल एक्टिविटीज को बड़ा पसंद करते होंगे. सो एक्टिविटीज लाइक in which you have to use your reason, logic, numbers, and if you have strong mathematical intelligence, jahan par you are able to record your information systematically, you are able to play strategy games, you are able to analyze data, you like numbers, you are able to deal with logical questions, you are able to use internet, then you are mathematically smart and you possess mathematical intelligence and ability. So third type is body kinesthetic intelligence. So you have to now ask self-question that, are you able to control body movements and handle objects skillfully? For example, you are able to do role plays, you are able to do exercises, you are able to dance well, you are able to move around comfortably, and you are able to use what all resources you have skillfully, then you are body kinesthetically intelligent. A person who is visual spatial intelligence is a person who is able to perceive visual things very comfortably, right? So if some of you are able to, is very interested in visualizing pictures, is very good in, is like to click photos or watch videos, have very, is able to visualize things around you. You are able to do puzzles, do mazes and activities. So you are a person who has very good visual and spatial intelligence. Next form is musical intelligence. So if some of you are able to produce and appreciate music, you love to listen to recordings, you love to talk, you love to talk to yourself, you're able to, go up and speak to public or in very social setup, and you are able to make up songs. You mentally repeat information. Whenever you are reading, you read aloud because you like to hear voice. You can change your tone. You can change the way you speak. Then you are musically intelligent. The next type is interpersonal intelligence, in which if you are able to relate and understand others, because some of us have this ability in which we are able to work together, we are able to understand others, we understand perspective. And for example, if आप लोग comfortable हैं, कोई कोई लोग कंफर्टेबल होते हैं जहाँ पे वो ग्रुप में पढ़ना बहुत पसंद करते हैं एंड वो अपनी इंफॉर्मेशन शेयर करना पसंद करते हैं. दे आर वेरी good with interviewing, they have very good interviewing skills, they are able to relate to the experiences which they have, they are able to learn from the experiences they have, they are able to do collective projects and activities which is being given to this in school. So then you are interpersonally intelligent and you have this ability. Second last is your interpersonal intelligence, in which you are is very aware about your own self and is very confident about your inner state and being. So the person who is able to understand his own strengths, his own weaknesses, is able to understand the goals, the things he or she wants to achieve, have a very, is able to easily distract from the problem and able to resolve them easily, have very good success, like the growth part and areas, and able to work confidently alone is a person who possesses interpersonal strength and ability. Naturalistic intelligence, the last one, is to basically to understand the environmental nature around us, right? So if any of you are very much inclined and interested towards plants, animals, pets, you're very much sensitive towards environmental issues and topics, what all is going on in environment, in natural phenomena, you love to spend time outside, then you are very naturalistic intelligence. So I'm very sure that most of you will be very shocked to hear कि ma'am इतने तरीके की intelligence भी होती है क्या? But trust me, yes, these are certain intelligence, and I'm sure जब मैं आपको ये explain कर रही हूँ तो आप लोग इनमें से बहुत सारे लोग relate कर पा रहे होंगे कि हाँ मेरे अंदर ये ability है या ये ability ज़्यादा है या ये ability नहीं है, right? So this is something which you all have observed in yourself. But in psychology, and career choosing is not something which is based on just your choice, just कि हमको फैमिली में किसी ने बोल दिया या मेरा इंटरेस्ट आ रहा है. इट्स समथिंग व्हिच वी हैव टू आल्सो चेक कि आर वी बोर्न विद इट, क्या हमारे पास वो इनबोर्न एबिलिटी भी है या नहीं है. अगर मेरा सिर्फ इंटरेस्ट है, मैंने एक करियर ले लिया और मेरे पास इनबोर्न एबिलिटी ही नहीं थी, तो मैं लेटर ऑन बहुत करियर वाइज फ्रस्ट्रेटेड रहूंगा उसको लेके. सो नाउ द टाइम इज टू हैव दिस टेस्ट, this psychological assessment, which is being made up by Howard Gardner himself. It's a very successful test which we use, and it will explain your multiple intelligence and what sort of abilities you have, and based on those, you will be able to determine your career. So this test is based on MI model, as I have told you. There will be 70 questions, right? Dr. Dinesh is going to explain you about how you're going to conduct it, but I'm just giving you in brief what this test is about. So there are going to be 70 statements. For example, there will be some questions like, I like to learn more about myself, or I enjoy logic and puzzles and Sudoku and mazes and everything. So what you have to do is, these are very simple statements, very simple English. आप उसको पढ़ने की कोशिश करो, आप समझना, और उनमें से जो भी आपको सबसे appropriate लगेगा उसको आपको इन 4 कैटेगरीज में मार्क करना है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई लाइक टू लर्न अबाउट माई सेल्फ, यू हैव टू गिव स्कोर्स इन 4. मोस्टली डिसएग्री, स्लाइटली डिसएग्री, स्लाइटली एग्री एंड मोस्टली एग्री. सो इनमें से जो आपको सबसे ज्यादा अपने लिए अप्रोप्रिएट लगता हो, आप उसको मार्क कर देंगे. देयर इज नथिंग रॉन्ग एंड राइट अबाउट इट. There's nothing कि मैं अगर इसको सही बोल दूंगा या मेरा जजमेंट कैसा हो जाएगा, मुझे मेरे बारे में क्या लोग सोचेंगे, नहीं. It's your own choice, right? So you will go through a test which sir will take up and sir will give you in brief, but I want to tell you what sort of report it will yield. So आप जब इस टेस्ट को करेंगे तो किस तरीके का रिपोर्ट आएगा, मैं उसका जस्ट एक आपको एक सैंपल दे रही हूँ, एक आइडिया दे रही हूँ, ब्रीफ दे रही हूँ. So जब आप ये टेस्ट को करोगे, so it's a sample report जहाँ पर this person का, if you see the person's spatial and visual ability is very high, the person's intrapersonal ability is very high. So these are the two areas jahan par this person has shown that it has a certain skill and ability. इस अगर आप रिजल्ट की बात करो तो इन सारे एरियाज में इनके जो स्कोर है वो 77.5 और 77.5 इन दोनों एरियाज में आए हैं, तो जिससे मैं इस पर्सन के बारे में एक्सप्लेन कर सकती हूँ आफ्टर काउंसलिंग या आफ्टर अंडरस्टैंडिंग द केस, आफ्टर अंडरस्टैंडिंग द पर्सन, कि ये पर्सन जो है इज वेरी comfortable and have inborn talent of being artistic in nature, able to do certain courses which are related to designing, is very much comfortable, is going to be very good with certain job careers like architect, is very good with photography, can be related to media, or the jobs which have camera related activities, is very inventing, is very inventor in nature, has certain develop, like जहाँ पर उनको कोई डेवलपमेंट करनी हो किसी चीज में, किसी चीज को बनाना हो, या ब्यूटी कंसल्टेंट भी बहुत सारे लोग होते हैं जो आजकल चीजों को करते हैं, यू हैव सीन मेकअप आर्टिस्ट एंड एवरीथिंग, राइट? सो दिस पर्सन को जस्ट इस टेस्ट के बेसिस पे हम ये क्लियरली डिफाइन कर सकते हैं. अगर आपको इन टेस्ट के बारे में 1-to-1 पर्सनल काउंसलिंग चाहिए, जहां पर आप चाहते हैं कि आपको 1-to-1 कोई ट्रेन्ड एक्सपर्ट आपकी रिपोर्ट को आपको समझाए, तो उसके बारे में आप हमारी टीम को अप्रोच कर सकते हैं. So that's all from my side, students. I hope I'm able to build confidence in you. I hope you're able to introspect what all abilities, what all strength you have, and we will prove it, we will check it by the test which you will do. So over to you, Swapnil sir. Thank you so much.
So Divya ji, it was a wonderful explanation about the test. I hope this test will play a very crucial role to all the students, career. Now I would like to invite Dr. Dinesh to explain about the technicalities to give this particular test. So now Dr. Dinesh, kindly take over this session. So dear student, now you need to understand like how to give this test. So 12:30 we will start this particular test. Uh, Dr. Dinesh has only 4 minutes to explain this particular test. So would request him to kindly complete within 4 minutes. And
Thank you.
would request Dr. Dinesh also to kindly share the link of test also after the explanation. Thank you so
Yes,
much.
yes, sir. Thank you so much. Dear participants, good afternoon.
Yeah, Dr. Dinesh, I think you have not started your camera.
Just a minute. Sir, my screen visible to you?
Yeah, it is visible now.
Okay. So, dear participants, now you can see how you will give a test. So, in the present screen, you can see this is the link. Okay, I have mentioned here two links. First is a long link and a second is short link. Okay, so both link I will paste in your chat box, and you have to click on this link.
Dr. Sharma, I would request if you can enlarge this slide.
Yeah, just a
slideshow.
Yeah. So dear participants, once you click on any link now, after that this login screen will come, and here you have to enter your email ID and a password, and the password is MET@123. You can write down your password. Your password is METAMITY@123, and the username is your email ID. So you have to enter here email ID and password, and after that you click on this login button. Sorry. After that you have also checked this check box, I am not robot, and after that you will click on the login button. Once you log in, after that you can see these all 70 questions will come in front of you, and you have to select. You have 4 options. First is mostly agree, second is slightly agree, third is mostly disagree, and the fourth is slightly disagree. So you can select any one option, and all 70 questions are compulsory. You have to select answer of all these 70 questions. Once you select all these 70 questions answer, After that, you will click on this submit button, submit answer button. Once you click on the submit answer button, after that you will get your result. Okay, this is the flow chart of your intelligence value. Okay, this is the intelligence value. Intelligence type is linguistic, logical, mathematical, musical, and these are your total marks. Okay, so according to your marks and intelligence type, you will get description about, suppose in this table, I think you have highest marks in bodily, and second is interpersonal. Okay, so in front of you, you will find description of both bodily and interpersonal. Dear, you can also download. Once you find, sorry, get your result, after that you have one print option. So you have to click on the print option and you can download your result. So this is the process of given test. Thank you so much, sir, for providing me opportunity.
Okay, so Dr. Dinesh, I would request kindly announce the password once again and how to log in once again, and then you can put up the link in the chat box so that student can click and they can join the test. Dear all
Yes.
students, by like from 12:30 to 1:30, you are having time to give this particular test. After 1:30, automatically this test will be submitted. If you will not submit it, or if you will not submit it, it will be automatically submitted. Otherwise, you will have to submit it. And then once you are submitting this, automatically the report will come in front of you, which can be printed by you also, and which can be saved by you also in form of PDF. So I would request Dr. Dinesh to kindly
Yes.
give them the link in this chat box. Dear all, you will find the link in the chat box as well as in Q&A section. And what is the password? Kindly put up that also, because I'm getting some questions on Q&A and chat box. What is the password?
Dear participants, password is METAMITY@123.
I think all in small or any character in capital.
No, sir, all in small.
So dear all students, you will have to put a password uh, AMITY@123. AMITY@123, and your username is your mail ID, whichever you have given or you have submitted in your form.
Dear participants, I have already pasted link of today test. So kindly click on this link. Okay, enter your email ID as a username, and after that you have to insert your password and click on the check box. I am not robot, and after that click on the login button.
आई एम एक्सप्लेनिंग अगेन बेटा, आपको क्या करना है, जब आप इस लिंक पे क्लिक करेंगे तो आपके सामने वेबसाइट ओपन हो जाएगी। उसमें आपको यूजर नेम डालना है। यूजर नेम आपका ईमेल आईडी है जो आपने अपने फॉर्म भरते समय पुटअप किया है या आपने मेंशन किया है, उसमें आपका ईमेल आईडी आपका यूजर नेम है, राइट। और आपका पासवर्ड जो है वो सिमिलर सबका सेम ही है, MT@123, all in small like characters, AMITY@123। जब आप ये टेस्ट दे रहे हैं, सो आई वुड रिक्वेस्ट ऑल द पार्टिसिपेंट्स, आप जूम को क्विट नहीं करेंगे, आप जूम को क्विट नहीं करेंगे, आप सेकंड टैब ओपन करेंगे और उसमें ये वाला टेस्ट देंगे। अच्छा, व्हेन यू विल कंप्लीट दिस टेस्ट, जब आप ये टेस्ट कंप्लीट कर लेंगे 1:30, सो वी विल हैव अ 15-minute Q&A सेशन। उसमें जो डॉक्टर दिव्या हैं वो आपको ये बताएंगी कि आपको इस रिपोर्ट को रीड कैसे करना है। अभी तो आपने केवल रिपोर्ट का फॉर्मेट देखा है, ठीक है, अब इसको रीड कैसे करना है वो डॉक्टर दिव्या बताएंगे। और अगर आपके कोई भी क्वेश्चन होंगे तो उसके लिए डॉक्टर राजेंद्र है हमारे, जो कि काफी रिनाउंड साइकोलॉजिस्ट हैं, वो आपको हेल्प करेंगे आपकी किसी भी करियर एंड पर्सनैलिटी से रिलेटेड क्वेरी को, राइट। तो नाउ योर टेस्ट।
Sir, just a minute. Dear participants, kindly find your test link in your chat box.
स्टूडेंट, आपके चैट बॉक्स पे हमने लिंक डाल दी है, आप एक बार उसको क्लिक करिए और अपने डोमेन में एंटर करिए। ये देखिए फिर से डाल दिया बेटा नो लिंक। आप लोग नो लिंक क्यों लिख रहे हैं? ये चैट बॉक्स में ही आ रहा है ना। ये देखिए चेक करिए, लिंक आ रही है।
Dear, your password is met@123. Password.
बेटा आप लोगों का पासवर्ड जो है वो met@123 है, ऑल इन स्मॉल। पासवर्ड जो है आपका, लिंक बेटा आर्या लिख रही हैं कि वेयर इज लिंक। आर्या ये ऊपर ही लिंक है जो हमने भेजा हुआ है, आप उस पर क्लिक करिए। met@123। मैंने बेटा आप लोगों के पासवर्ड भी डाल दिए हैं, met@123। इफ एनीबडी इज फेसिंग एनी प्रॉब्लम, चैट बॉक्स में जाके वो देख सकते हैं। met@123 है जो कि पासवर्ड है आपका। met@123 पासवर्ड है।
Here, if you are facing any problem now, then you can also call on the given numbers regarding your login, dear.
हाउ टू लॉग इन सिद्धांत नागरिया। बेटा आपको लिंक पे क्लिक करना है जो भेजी गई है ऊपर, और उस लिंक के बेसिस पे आप वहां पे लॉग इन करेंगे। आपका जो आईडी है वो आपका ईमेल एड्रेस है जो आपने दिया हुआ है। अगेन आई एम जस्ट पुटिंग द लिंक। ये आपकी लिंक है जिसके थ्रू आप जा सकते हैं। लिंक वर्क कर रही है आपके। आप नेहा आप एक बार जरा अपना वो टेस्ट करो जरा, नेटवर्क।
Just a minute, dear. Just a minute.
बेटा आप एक बार अपना आईडी में, यूजर नेम में आप अपना ईमेल एड्रेस डालो और पासवर्ड में आप अपना पासवर्ड डालिए met@123। पासवर्ड और वो पूरा नहीं लिखना है, केवल met@123 लिखना है।
एक बार लिंक चेक करना, लिंक।
दिनेश जी एक बार आप चेक करिए, शायद लिंक में कुछ, जो भी पार्टिसिपेंट्स हैं थोड़ा सा आप, डियर पार्टिसिपेंट्स, जो लोग भी उसमें एंटर नहीं कर पा रहे हैं, थोड़ा सा होल्ड करिए, वी आर वर्किंग ऑन दैट। बाकी बच्चे एंटर कर चुके हैं, थोड़ा सा जरा पेशेंस करिए, जस्ट वेट फॉर 2 to 3 minutes, you will get that, don't worry।
Yes, sir. Test.
Dear all the participants,
Sir, some students are already given test.
अच्छा ओके। बेटा ये आप लोगों के नेटवर्क में कुछ एरर होगा। द स्टूडेंट्स हु आर saying that कि they are not able to enter into, so they are having some network issue। आप एक बार चेक करिए, because there are multiple students who have already started the test, so I think there is a problem of network, so kindly see this। अंश आप एक बार फिर से उसको लॉग इन करो, आप एक बार फिर से ब्राउजर में डालो एंड देन स्टार्ट, ऑटोमेटिकली it will start working, then there is no network issue। रिया ऑलरेडी, अंजलि, रिया ऑलरेडी बेटा लोग टेस्ट दे रहे हैं इसमें, तो आप एक बार जरा सिस्टम चेक करो आप अपना। मैं लिंक एक बार फिर से आपको भेज देता हूं। दिनेश, हाँ ये लिंक देखिए फिर से दिनेश सर ने आपको भेजा, एक मिनट होल्ड करिए।
Sir, you
Just
can
hold।
also check link. Link is working, sir.
दिनेश जी आप जो भेज रहे हैं ना, आप केवल ऑल पैनलिस्ट को भेज रहे हैं, बच्चों को नहीं आ रहा है, तो उसमें अटेंडीज भी ऐड ऑन करिए।
Okay, sir. Okay.
आदित्य, आपके कुछ एसीसी आ रहा है, अदरवाइज हाँ, तो ये एसीसी में ही तो बेटा आएगा, इसमें यूजर नेम और पासवर्ड डालो ना। नियति अग्रवाल बेटा, आप फिर से उसको क्लिक करो एंड एंटर इनटू दैट, जो मैंने अभी लिंक भेजी है।
Dear participants, kindly my screen visible to you.
हेलो, हाँ जी।
Dear participants, my screen visible to you. Okay, when you click on the link not here, then this home page will come. After that, you will enter here your email ID like this. Okay, after this, you have to enter your password AMITY@123. Okay, click on this I am not a robot and click on this login button. Dear, clear?
आई एम जस्ट गेटिंग फ्यू क्वेरीज की लॉगिन पेज उसमें शो नहीं हो रहा है।
नहीं सर, देखिए ना, ये देखिए मैंने आपके सामने किया है सर, लॉगिन किया है और लॉगिन करने के बाद ये टेस्ट का पेज भी आ गया है सर।
अच्छा,
हाँ सर, यू कैन ऑल्सो चेक सर।
बेटा जो आप लोगों को जिनको दिक्कत हो रही है ना सर, टेस्ट का पेज नहीं आ रहा है। टेस्ट का पेज तो है बेटा, आपके सामने ही देखो, लॉगिन कर रहे हैं हम लोग, इट इज कमिंग।
देखिए बेटा, यहाँ पर देखिए, हेलो दिनेश शर्मा, ऑल क्वेश्चंस आर कमिंग। अगेन आई एम, देखो आई एम लॉग आउट फर्स्ट। ओके, डियर, फर्स्ट आई विल लॉग आउट, आफ्टर दैट यू विल सी।
आप लोग थोड़ा सा जरा पैनिक मत हो, आप लोग जरा देखो यहाँ पे फिर से जो जो यहाँ पे सर डेमो दे रहे हैं, एक बार उसको देखो। हो सकता है आप लोग कुछ गड़बड़ कर रहे हो, राइट? जस्ट सी दैट दिनेश सर जो हैं, एक बार फिर से। अंकित, जस्ट होल्ड फॉर अ वाइल बेटा, एक बार जरा देखो जैसे सर बता रहे हैं उसके हिसाब से उसको लॉगिन करो।
बेटा देखिए,
हेल्प यू
डियर, either you can copy and paste link or you can directly click on the link. यहाँ पर देखिए, this your link. Okay, first I will copy this. After that you can paste in your URL. Okay, just
ये जो छोटा वाला URL है वो आप एक बार भेजो दिनेश जी।
yes sir, yes.
वन मोर URL वी आर सेंडिंग यू, आप एक बार उससे करके देखो, क्योंकि जिन जिन के में ये दिक्कत आ रही है बेटा, आपके सिस्टम में कुछ कुकीज के कारण दिक्कत आ रही है, अदरवाइज टेस्ट इज वर्किंग।
सर मैंने आपको भेजा है पैनलिस्ट पर, काइंडली चेक।
ये मैं आप लोगों को एक शॉर्ट लिंक भी भेज रहा हूं, आप इस पे क्लिक करके भी जा सकते हो। ये वाला यूआरएल है, जो बच्चे नहीं एंटर कर पा रहे हैं वो इस यूआरएल पे भी कर सकते हैं।
सर ऑलरेडी 100 स्टूडेंट्स आर गिविंग एग्जाम।
बेटा 100 स्टूडेंट्स ऑलरेडी एग्जाम दे रहे हैं, तो मेरे ख्याल से देयर इज अ प्रॉब्लम इन योर सिस्टम। आप लोग प्लीज चेक करिए, और जो शॉर्ट लिंक है, शॉर्ट लिंक पे क्लिक करके भी आप टेस्ट में एंटर कर सकते हैं।
Dear participants, you can kindly see my screen. Okay, once you click on the link now, after that this login page will come. Here you have to enter your email ID, dear. Okay, kindly enter here correct email ID which you have entered at the time of registration. Okay, once you enter your email ID, after that in password you have to write MET. A all are, sir, all alphabet in small case. AMITY@123. Your password is MET. AMITY@123. Clear? And after that, dear student, kindly click on this checkbox. I am not a robot. Click on this checkbox. Okay. And after that, click on this login button.
मिष्टी, आपका अगर लॉगिन पेज नहीं आ रहा है तो एक बार आप अपने लैपटॉप की सेटिंग देखो या डेस्कटॉप की सेटिंग देखो। वहां पे शायद पॉपअप या न्यू पेजेस अलाउड नहीं होंगे, इस कारण से ओपन नहीं हो रहा है, अदरवाइज ओपन हो रहा है ये।
Dear, you can
हर्ष,
see
एक
now.
बार आप जो हमने फिर से आपको वो करके भेजा है, एक बार आप फिर से चेक करो,
बेटा ये
दीवानी लिंक
देखिए
के थ्रू आप जाओ।
सर, ये देखिए मेरा टेस्ट ओपन हो गया. Dear participant, now you can see. Once I log in, na, my test already started and here time is coming.
अभी अभिषेक चौहान इज सेइंग दैट कि सब अपने मोबाइल में ब्राउजर में डेस्कटॉप मोड ओपन कर लो। आपका जो ब्राउजर है बेटा, उसमें आप डेस्कटॉप मोड ओपन कर लो, तो ये आपका चालू हो जाएगा। शायद आप लोग मोबाइल से दे रहे हैं, एंड्रॉइड के कारण से ये दिक्कत कर रहा है। आप अपने अपने मोबाइल में ब्राउजर में डेस्कटॉप मोड ऑन कर लो, ऑटोमेटिकली चालू हो जाएगा। एंड आई थिंक आप लोगों को ये मोबाइल से नहीं देना चाहिए था, आपको अपने लैपटॉप में या डेस्कटॉप से देना चाहिए था, क्योंकि इस तरीके के टेस्ट कभी भी नहीं दिए जाते हैं। नाउ गोविंद सिंह इज सेइंग दैट इट इज वर्किंग, अभिनव सेइंग दैट यस। हीर
Yes, yes.
शर्मा इज आस्किंग टू स्टार्ट ऑन द डेस्कटॉप। बेटा डेस्कटॉप बहुत इजी है, ये देखो मैं फिर से लिख रहा हूं, आप इसको देखो जरा कैसे करना है।
Yes.
पासवर्ड हिमांशल खत्री, बेटा पासवर्ड एमटी ऑल स्मॉल 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 लेटर में AMITY@123।
Dear participant, again you can see what you will do. You have simply paste your URL, paste your link in your URL. After that, click on the enter button, or in mobile you can click on go button. Okay. Once you click now, dear, then this login page will come. Clear? Just wait, my PC is little bit slow.
This is the link. Again, if you are facing any problem, you can click on this link to enter to the test page.
And dear, after that you have to enter your email ID and your password. Password is MET@123. My password is different. Okay. And your password is MET@123. After that, dear, you have to click on this checkbox. I am not robot. I am not a robot. Click on this. Checked this. Okay. After that, click on this login button. Now your test will start. You can see. All questions are coming. And dear, these all questions are compulsory. You have to select answer of every question. You can see here. Here you have 4 options: mostly agree, slightly disagree, mostly disagree.
I would request all the participants to be here till the last. After 1:30 to next 15 minutes, we'll explain that how to read this particular report. Because if you will not able to read the report, this report will be like a piece of paper for you and nothing. So kindly wait till the last 15 minutes we'll give for the Q&A session and the report reading technique, which will be done by Dr. Divya and Dr. Rajendra. Meanwhile, if you are facing any problem, so we are displaying 2 numbers of Dr. Dinesh Sharma and Mr. Ashish Kumar Mishra. If you're facing any technical problem, you can call them directly. They will help you to log into the test page. Any student, if facing any problem, they can contact Dr. Dinesh Sharma directly. Their number has been displayed on the screen, and they can contact Mr. Ashish Kumar Mishra also. One more important announcement. Who will attend this whole webinar till the last, only those person will be getting the certificate of participation. All participants who will attend this webinar till the last, only they will be getting the participation certification. who are
Dear,
putting,
dear sir,
who are
sorry.
mentioning this ki sir, I have done my test, I would request all the student kindly stay back here, because at the last, in the Q&A session, question and answer session, we will tell them how to read this report. Otherwise, you will not be able to understand to, like understand this particular report.
Dear participants, what is happening now? This when your this screen is coming, kindly scroll your screen, dear. All questions are coming. You are not scrolling your screen. That's why your questions are not coming. Once you log in, dear, kindly scroll your screen, dear.
पार्टिसिपेंट्स,
Yes, dear.
बेटा आपको जब ये स्क्रीन आपके यहाँ पे आ रही है तो आपको स्क्रॉल करके नीचे जाना है, राइट? देन ओनली आपको नीचे टेस्ट मिलेगा। आप लोग क्या कर रहे हैं, आप लोग केवल हेडर देख रहे हैं एंड यू आर सेइंग दैट देयर इज नो टेस्ट इज विजिबल। तो आप जब आप लॉग इन करते हैं तो सेकंड पेज में जो ऊपर हेडर आ रहा है आप उसको स्क्रॉल करिए, जब आप नीचे जाएंगे देन यू विल फाइंड टेस्ट हियर। शिवांक, you have got your result but you will not able to read that, so I would request all the participants kindly stay back till the last of this session. We will help you to understand this particular report. You will not be able to read it properly, so our psychologist will help you to understand this report and match with your personality and intelligence to take the decision of your career. जो भी बच्चे टेस्ट दे रहे हैं, I would request them kindly give your answer after thinking a lot. Don't give answer in hurry, and whatever honest answer is there, only select that. Don't manipulate the answer, otherwise it will not give you the correct report. जो भी बच्चे यहाँ पर अपना आंसर दे रहे हैं उनसे मेरी रिक्वेस्ट है कि आप करेक्ट आंसर वहां पे डालिएगा। बी ऑनेस्ट विद योर पर्सनालिटी, उसमें आप कोई भी मैनिपुलेशन मत करिएगा, या ऐसा मत करिएगा कि हाँ मैं तो इसमें भी होशियार हूँ और उसमें भी होशियार हूँ। इन विच यू आर गुड, आप उसमें एग्री डिसएग्री जो भी हैं उस हिसाब से आप ऑनेस्टली करिएगा, देन ओनली यू विल फाइंड द करेक्ट रिपोर्ट। अदरवाइज आपकी रिपोर्ट करेक्ट नहीं होगी। It is not possible to unmute the attendees because we are having multiple hundred attendees right now, so it will create a chaos. We are putting up, we will give you the chance to talk to the psychologist separately. At last I will put up one link to you all in which you will put up the inquiry form. अगर जो भी बच्चा इंटरेस्टेड है पर्सनल काउंसलिंग लेने में, वो उस इंक्वायरी फॉर्म में अपनी डिटेल डालेंगे और उनके हिसाब से जो हमारे साइकोलॉजिस्ट हैं उनकी अवेलेबिलिटी के हिसाब से आपको स्लॉट दिया जाएगा और उस स्लॉट में हमारे जो साइकोलॉजिस्ट हैं उनकी तरफ से कॉल जाएगा और वो आपको हेल्प करेंगे। 1-to-1 काउंसलिंग हम करेंगे जो इंटरेस्टेड बच्चे हैं उनके लिए। उसके लिए मैं आपको एक लिंक सेंड करूंगा एट द लास्ट। दिस इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट अनाउंसमेंट। एट लास्ट मैं आप सभी बच्चों के साथ में एक लिंक शेयर करूंगा। जो भी बच्चे 1-to-1 काउंसलिंग के लिए इंटरेस्टेड हैं अपने करियर को स्मूथ करने के लिए, वो उस लिंक में जाके क्लिक करके अपनी डिटेल डालेंगे और जो भी बच्चा वो फॉर्म भरेगा उनको फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट 1-to-1 काउंसलिंग प्रोवाइड की जाएगी साइकोलॉजिस्ट के द्वारा। So this is a very important announcement to all who all are interested to take the 1-to-1 counseling. I will put the separate link for that. You will have to put up the inquiry, you will have to fill up the inquiry form, and all the students who will fill up that inquiry form, they will get a call from the psychologist to give up personal counseling to take their career to a right path. At last I will put up that particular link. Having time till 1:30, you give your test properly, don't be in hurry. Whatever questions we have asked or that test has asked, kindly give that answered properly after thinking a lot. If you face any problem, you can contact Dr. Dinesh Sharma and Mr. Ashish Kumar Mishra. whose number has been displayed in your screen. Aditya Raj, you are saying that ki test completed, may I leave? If you are having the test report but you will not able to read it, so kindly be with us till the last. We will tell you that how to read that report and how to use that report to decide the career. I'm putting up the test link again. Abhijit, you are asking for test link. Already I have pasted. Your password, your username will be your email ID which you have registered, and your password will be amity@123. Amity@123. This will be the password, and username will be your email ID which you have registered here. Shipriya, it is very good. You have completed the test. Wait for the test explanation. At the last, we will have the Q&A session, question and answer session. In that, we will discuss about how to read that particular report. And we will also try to give your questions answer. Mishti, we will send you the link, don't worry. For the one-to-one counseling, I will share the link for sending your application form for the one-to-one counseling, but that will be after the test. After 1:30, I will put up that particular. One very important announcement has been displayed in the chat box for those who are attending test on the smartphone. Kindly go through the instruction put up by Dr. Dinesh Sharma on the chat box for the smartphone applicants or aspirants. Priyanshu, password is absolutely correct. Amity@123. Amity@123, all in small. मिष्टी और टेस्ट की लिंक तो ऑलरेडी भेज चुके हैं बेटा, आपको टेस्ट की लिंक तो पहले भी भेज चुके हैं हम. Again, I am just putting up the test link. धीर, अगर आपका टेस्ट हो गया है तो आप वेट करिए, अभी रिपोर्ट रीडिंग के बारे में बताया जाएगा, लाइक हाउ टू रीड द रिपोर्ट. रमन, सर्टिफिकेट आपको मिलेगा, डोंट वरी अबाउट दैट. विल अनाउंस दैट हाउ टू गेट द सर्टिफिकेट एट लास्ट. मिस्टी, अगर आपको कोई दिक्कत आ रही है ज्वाइन करने में टेस्ट, तो बेटा अभी नंबर हमने शो किया था Dr. Dinesh Sharma ka. You can call him directly. He will help you in this matter. These are requested. All applicants, all students are requested to kindly be with us till the end of this whole process. You need to understand how to read the report. Otherwise, you will not be able to understand that how to take the decision basis on that report. All attendees are requested to be with us till the last. Otherwise, you will not be able to understand how to read that report to take the decision for your career. बेटा जितने भी स्टूडेंट यहाँ पे टेस्ट दे रहे हैं, आप सभी से रिक्वेस्ट है कि आप एंड तक यहाँ पे रहें, तभी आपको ये बताया जाएगा कि आपको वो रिपोर्ट आखिर पढ़ना कैसे है, रीड कैसे करना है. अगर आप वो चीज नहीं समझ पाएंगे तो रिपोर्ट आपके लिए ज्यादा फ्रूटफुल नहीं होगी. यू विल नॉट बी एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड कि उसमें आप डिसीजन कैसे लेना, वो नहीं समझ पाएंगे. जिन बच्चों ने अपना टेस्ट पूरा कर लिया है बेटा, आपने शायद जल्दी टेस्ट पूरा कर लिया है, बिकॉज अकॉर्डिंग टू द साइंटिफिक टाइमिंग स्टूडेंट्स हैव टू कंप्लीट देयर टेस्ट विद इन 1 hour, नॉट बिफोर दैट, नॉट लेटर दैट. सो आई थिंक अगर आपने अपना टेस्ट पूरा कर लिया है तो यू विल हैव टू वेट टिल 1:30. Then we will go for the explanation session, in which we will explain that how to read that particular report. थोड़ा सा आपको वेट करना पड़ेगा. Multiple messages are coming from the student about the link for the one-to-one counseling. बेटा आपको one-to-one counseling की link at the last प्रोवाइड की जाएगी. जब हम ये सेशन क्लोज करेंगे उसके पहले आपको वो लिंक प्रोवाइड की जाएगी. उसके बाद आप ये सेशन लीव कर सकते हैं. बट राइट नाउ यू हैव टू बी विद अस टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट हाउ टू रीड दिस पर्टिकुलर रिपोर्ट. अगर आप लोगों के किसी फ्रेंड ने अगर ये टेस्ट नहीं दिया है तो अभी भी उसके पास 20 मिनट्स हैं, वो टेस्ट में लॉग इन करके टेस्ट दे सकता है. अगर किसी आपके एक्विटेंट ने या किसी जान पहचान वाले ने टेस्ट दिया है और अगर वो क्विट कर गया है तो आप उनको एडवाइस करिए टू रीजॉइन दी सेशन. अदरवाइज वो नहीं समझ पाएंगे कि उनको अपनी रिपोर्ट पढ़ना कैसे है, हाउ टू रीड दैट रिपोर्ट. द पर्सन हु विल leave this webinar right now, they will not join the session of report explanation or report reading. They will not be able to understand how to read that report, how to utilize that report practically in their life. अंश, आप डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं बेटा. आप जब प्रिंट पे क्लिक करेंगे, आई एम जस्ट टेलिंग यू, आप सभी को मैं बता रहा हूं कि आप लोग कैसे डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं. आप वहां पे प्रिंट के लिंक पे आप क्लिक करेंगे. जैसे ही आप प्रिंट के लिंक पे क्लिक करेंगे तो आपका एक विंडो ओपन होगा जिसमें वो ये शो करेगा कि कौन से प्रिंटर से आपको प्रिंट करना है. तो वहां पे आप ब्राउज करेंगे, मतलब उसमें ड्रॉप डाउन होगा तो उसमें आप सेव एज अ पीडीएफ कर देंगे. जहां पे प्रिंटर का नाम दिया है आप ड्रॉप डाउन में क्लिक करेंगे.
Hello.
Devyansh, we know that there is no problem in the test link. More than 200 attendees are already given the test.
स्वप्निल सर.
हाँ दिनेश सर, बताइए प्लीज.
Sir, 135 students already given test, and I think more than 300 already given, sir.
Okay, great. So this is a very good number for any test. 300 already have given the test and 135 they are doing the test. I would request all the attendees to kindly.
Sir, 135 given and 300 are currently given.
Acha, 300 are giving. Okay.
And 135 already completed.
Okay. All the participants who are giving the test, you are having time till 1:30. So only 20 minutes are left for you to give the test. My request to all the attendees is kindly attend this session till the last to understand how to read this particular report. Announcement, all the participants, you are having only 15 minutes to complete your test. Otherwise 1:30, on 1:30 automatically it will be submitted. Secondly, after 1:30, we will start the Q&A session and report reading session, in which we'll talk about how to read that particular report, which will help you to club or which will help you to apply that report in your real life. At the end, we will provide you the link also to register yourself for getting one-to-one counseling by the renowned psychologist. That counseling will be absolutely free of cost. No charges will be taken, although they take 5,000 rupees per counseling. But here, because of this particular event, they will not charge anything. So that will be absolutely free of cost for you all. जितने भी अटेंडीज हैं उनसे रिक्वेस्ट है कि वो लास्ट तक ये सेशन अटेंड करें, तभी आप समझ पाएंगे कि ये रिपोर्ट पढ़ना कैसे है, उसको रीड कैसे करना है और आपकी रियल लाइफ से उसको जोड़ना कैसे है या उसको अप्लाई कैसे करना है। ये आपको जो रिनाउंड साइकोलॉजिस्ट हैं हमारे साथ में वो आपको बताएंगे। सेकेंडली, आपको एक लिंक दी जाएगी जिसमें आप अपने आप को रजिस्टर कर सकते हैं। वन टू वन काउंसलिंग मींस आपको पर्सनल कॉल आएगा साइकोलॉजिस्ट के ऑफिस से और वो आपको हेल्प करेंगे आपकी प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व करने में, आपके क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करने में, आपके करियर एंड पर्सनैलिटी रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन से के लिए। वन मोर इंपॉर्टेंट अनाउंसमेंट अबाउट द सर्टिफिकेट। जो आपके पार्टिसिपेशन सर्टिफिकेट हैं ये उन्हीं बच्चों को मिलेंगे जो लास्ट तक ये सेशन अटेंड करेंगे। दे ऑल स्टूडेंट विल गेट सर्टिफिकेट थ्रू email within 3 to 4 working days. Means till Thursday you will get the participating certificate of participation. जो भी पार्टिसिपेंट्स हैं यहाँ पे, जो भी अटेंडीज हैं, आप सभी को सर्टिफिकेट तभी मिलेगा जब आप सेशन के एंड तक ये ज्वाइन करेंगे और ये सर्टिफिकेट आपको मेल पे मेल द्वारा भेजा जाएगा गुरुवार तक, थर्सडे तक। बेटा आप लोगों की प्रिंट वाला जो सेक्शन है वो ऑलरेडी वर्क कर रहा है। अगर कुछ दिक्कत आ रही है किसी एक दो बच्चों को तो वो टेम्परेरी एरर आपके सिस्टम में है, आप उसको फिर से एक बार ट्राई कर सकते हो। दिनेश जी आपका व्हाट्सएप उस पर रन हो रहा है मेरे हिसाब से। हाँ, वो व्हाट्सएप हटा लीजिए उसमें से प्लीज। जिन भी बच्चों को किसी तरीके की प्रॉब्लम आ रही है टेस्ट को अटेंड करने में या इन बिटवीन इफ दे आर फेसिंग एनी प्रॉब्लम, ये दोनों नंबर डिस्प्ले किए जा रहे हैं आपके सामने। यू कैन कॉल द कंसर्न पर्सन, दे विल हेल्प यू। You can call Mr. Ashish Kumar Mishra. The number is 8770160696. You can contact them. They will help you to solve the query and the problem. यश बेटा उसमें प्रिंट का एक ऑप्शन आ रहा है, आप प्रिंट पे जैसे ही क्लिक करेंगे ऑटोमेटिकली वो आपसे प्रिंटर का नाम पूछेगा, वहीं प्रिंटर के नाम के यहाँ पे आपको एज अ पीडीएफ सेव कर लेना है। कुमकुम एंड साक्षी पीडीएफ, आप पीडीएफ की लिंक नहीं है, जब आप प्रिंट पे क्लिक करोगे सो इट विल ओपन अ विंडो, राइट, और उस विंडो में वो शो करेगा कि विच प्रिंटर यू वांट टू यूटिलाइज। तो उस प्रिंटर वाले ड्रॉप डाउन में यू नीड टू क्लिक, और वहां पे सेव एज अ पीडीएफ आएगा। आप उसको क्लिक करके जैसे ही आप प्रिंट पे क्लिक करेंगे तो एज अ पीडीएफ वो सेव हो जाएगा। पीडीएफ की कोई स्पेशल लिंक नहीं है, वो उसमें से ही सेव होता है। आई एम एक्सप्लेनिंग अगेन हाउ टू सेव दैट इन पीडीएफ। जब आप प्रिंट पे क्लिक करेंगे तो प्रिंट वाली स्क्रीन एक ओपन हो जाएगी, राइट, और उसमें वो प्रिंटर का नाम पूछेगा ड्रॉप डाउन में। तो उस प्रिंटर के नाम पे जब आप ड्रॉप डाउन में क्लिक करेंगे तो इट विल शो सेव एज पीडीएफ। आप उस पर क्लिक करिए एंड देन यू विल क्लिक ऑन प्रिंट, तो ऑटोमेटिकली वो सेव एज अ दिस पीडीएफ के लिए वो आपसे फाइल नेम मांगेगा, फाइल नेम डालेंगे और कहाँ पे सेव करना है, डेस्कटॉप पे या किसी फाइल में, यू विल क्लिक ऑन दैट, देन दैट फाइल विल बी सेव्ड एज अ पीडीएफ। Or you can take the screenshot also. If you are facing any problem to save that file as a PDF, you can take the screenshot also.
Yes, yes.
हर्ष, जब आप प्रिंट बटन पे क्लिक कर रहे हैं तो ऊपर देखिए आपको प्रिंटर पूछ रहा है, प्रिंटर का नाम ऊपर लिखा हुआ है बॉक्स में, ड्रॉप डाउन में ऊपर। आप उस पर जैसे ही क्लिक करोगे, Dinesh ji, can you do one
Yes,
demo
yes.
for them, because they are
Yes, sir.
facing problem to convert a file to the PDF.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, just a minute.
But I think there is no need to open that page. अच्छा ठीक है, कर लीजिए आप।
Yes, yes.
All the students who are facing problem to get that file saved in the PDF form, we are giving a demo how to do that. Just wait.
There you can also take a screenshot if any problem coming.
If you're facing any problem, you can also take the screenshot. That will be more easier for you. For the screenshot, control, function, and print screen. These three buttons you need to click or push.
There, just I am giving you demo how you will download report. So I am selecting all question quickly.
You are facing any problem to download the report in the PDF format, we are giving a little demo to understand that. Kindly wait for a minute.
Dear participants, once you submit your test, after that your result will come. Okay. Now, after that, dear, kindly scroll your screen. In bottom, you have one print report button. Click on this print report button. Okay. Now you will see you have here you have drop down box. Okay. So you can select your printer, or you can also select option save as PDF. So kindly select this save as PDF option. Okay. And click on this save button. Okay, dear. After that, you have to give your path where you want to save your result. So you can save on desktop, download PDF. Okay. Location you have to select. So once you select the location, click on this save button. Okay. So dear, this is the procedure of saving report in your desktop or your mobile phone. Dear participants, clear?
All the participants, you are having only 5 minutes, even 4 minutes left to complete this test. Then after we will start the session on how to read this particular report. I would request Dr. Divya kindly be ready for this explanation within 4 minutes, like 13:31. We will start this explanation, session. There are multiple questions are raised in the Q&A section. I would request all the participants kindly wait for next 2 to 3 minutes. We'll start the Q&A session where you can ask your query here. We will try to answer all the queries. After that we will give maybe हाँ दिनेश जी, तो कर सकते हैं, आप बताइए कितना करना है. We have got multiple requests from the students कि जिन बच्चों ने लेट टेस्ट अटेंड किया था, दे वांट टू एक्सटेंड द टाइमिंग ऑफ दिस सेशन. तो ठीक है, वी आर गिविंग 10 minutes extra to them, but meanwhile we will start this report reading session by 1:30. We will start report reading session sharp at 1:30. जिन बच्चों ने लेट से टेस्ट अटेंड किया है, वी विल गिव देम एक्सटेंशन ऑफ 10 minutes so they can complete their test till 13:40, means 1 till 1:40 they are having the time. Meanwhile, other student who have already completed their test, they can attend the session that how to read the test report. So within 2 minutes, we will start this session. Even 1 minute, only 1 minute is left over. 1:30, we will start this session that how to read this report, which will be this session will be taken by Dr. Divya Chauhan, who will explain that कि आप इस रिपोर्ट को कैसे रीड कर सकते हैं, कैसे आप अपनी जिंदगी से इस रिपोर्ट को कनेक्ट करके अपने करियर के बारे में करेक्ट डिसीजन ले सकते हैं. Only 1 minute is left over. I would request Dr. Divya to start the session sharp 1:31. This is a very important announcement to all the students and the participants. You need to understand very carefully how to utilize that report to take the decision for your career. Believe you me, if you have given the right and the correct and the honest answer, whatever questions were asked in that particular test, so the report will really help you to take a right decision for your career path. So I think this is 1:31. I'm handing over this session to Dr. Divya. She will help you all to understand that how to read the report and how to utilize that report to take a good decision for your career. So request Dr. Divya to kindly take over this session.
Thank you, Swapnil sir. And welcome back, students. Welcome back, participants. And this is the last lap of our session. So this is the main aspect, the main part. So we have understood about what is intelligence. We have understood about what are the types of intelligence, what is personality, interest, and everything has to do with it. There are so many inborn talents, inborn capabilities which you all have. So this test, which is very scientific in nature, it is being used worldwide. There are so many sessions which are being devoted to it, but you are being given opportunity to go for it, and you have trained professionals over here who are going to help you. So after completion of this test, I'm sure you will be able, you got this report, a PDF report which Swapnil sir and Dinesh sir was talking about. And that report basically helps you to understand what are the positive findings and what are the areas of your choice as per the development of the brain, as per the nature part of the brain, right? So somebody who has got score 75 and above on the particular areas will have a certain career options which will be suitable for you. So जिस person के पॉजिटिव फाइंडिंग्स आई होंगी रिपोर्ट में, जैसे आप लोग में से कितने सारे लोगों का लिंग्विस्टिक आया होगा, कुछ का मैथमेटिकल आया होगा, किसी का बॉडी काइनेस्टिक आया होगा. तो जो जो आपकी पॉजिटिव फाइंडिंग्स उस रिपोर्ट में ऑटोमेटिकली जनरेट हुई हैं, आपका वो ही इन फ्यूचर आपका करियर पाथ हो सकता है, जहां पर आप बहुत सक्सेसफुल होंगे एज पर द साइंटिफिक टेस्ट. So for example, how you're going to make sense of this report? जैसे कि अगर आप में से किसी का लिंग्विस्टिक एरिया में हाई आया है स्कोर, तो उससे आप किस तरीके के जॉब प्रेफर कर सकते हैं? इन द फील्ड ऑफ जर्नलिज्म, in the field of mass communication, English teacher, editor, translator, PR consultant, voice-over artist, writer, lawyer. ये इस तरह के कुछ प्रोफेशन हैं जो पार्टिसिपेंट्स का लिंग्विस्टिक में स्कोर्स हाई आया होगा कैन सेफली चूज वन ऑफ दीज एरिया. फॉर द पर्सन जिनको लॉजिकल और मैथमेटिकल में पॉजिटिव फाइंडिंग्स आई है, उनकी रिपोर्ट में ऐसी पॉजिटिव फाइंडिंग्स आई है, शोज दैट यू विल बी एबल टू परस्यू करियर इन इंजीनियरिंग, in computer science, in accountancy, in trader, banker, in as a scientist, you will be able to have a very good career as per the assessment done. In terms of musical abilities, you will be able to hold certain jobs like voice coach, in mass communication again, in environmental and noise advisor, also event manager, is something which is your it is the finding, the positive findings. As per the bodily kinestic, जिन students का, जिन participants का high आया है, you will be very good with dancing, you will be very good with performance, athletics, आर्मी में आप लोग का बहुत अच्छा स्कोप हो सकता है अगर आप इस चीज को फॉलो करेंगे तो। शेफ और इसके अलावा costume designing is something which you will be able to do. स्पेशल विजुअल का, जिसका मैंने पहले भी बताया था, अगर आप में से किसी का स्पेशल विजुअल रिपोर्ट के अंदर हाई आया है स्कोर, इट मीन्स आपके जो ऑप्शंस होंगे करियर के विल गो अराउंड लाइक बीइंग आर्टिस्ट, बीइंग डिजाइनर, फैशन डिजाइनर, you can opt certain career into literature. You will be able to have be architecture, photographer also, engineer also, and as I told you, beauty consultant is something which is very safe career for you people. So somebody who has interpersonal में very high score, it means आप psychology as a profession use कर सकते हैं, because आप emotionally काफी लोगों की emotions को लोगों की problems को understand कर सकते हैं. You have a very good relationship. आप साइकोलॉजी को ले सकते हैं, पॉलिटिशियन, आप टीचिंग में भी श्योरली जा सकते हैं, डॉक्टर्स आप जरूर बन सकते हैं. जहां पर भी कोचेस या मेंटरशिप की बात आएगी, जहां पर बहुत ज्यादा इमोशन इन्वॉल्व होगा, ऐसे करियर आप फॉर श्योर ऑप्ट कर सकते हैं. इट मींस आपके अंदर वो इनबॉर्न कैपेबिलिटी और इनबॉर्न टैलेंट है. लास्टली, इंटरपर्सनल, जिन जिन स्टूडेंट्स का, जिन जिन पार्टिसिपेंट्स का आपकी रिपोर्ट में इंटरपर्सनल हाई आया होगा, आपके पास चॉइसेस होंगे आपके इन टर्म्स ऑफ जो भी ग्रुप वर्क होते हैं, फॉर एग्जांपल बिजनेस एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन के जो वर्क होते हैं, या लॉयर रिलेटेड जो टास्क रहते हैं, आप उन सारी चीजों को बहुत कंफर्टेबली ऑप्ट कर पाएंगे. सो ये कुछ ऐसे एबिलिटीज से रिलेटेड प्रोफेशन है और इन प्रोफेशन से रिलेटेड कोर्सेज हैं जिसको आप ऑप्ट करेंगे, जिसके बारे में आप पढ़ेंगे, अपने आप को एक्सपर्ट बनाएंगे, तो आपके बहुत अच्छे चांसेस होंगे कि आप बहुत अच्छा करियर अपनी लाइफ में ऑप्ट कर पाएं एंड आप सक्सेसफुल हो पाएंगे, ऐसा आपका ब्रेन आपको सजेस्ट कर रहा है. सो दैट्स ऑल इन टर्म्स ऑफ द रिपोर्ट रीडिंग. स्टूडेंट्स, आई नो ये थोड़ा सा टिपिकल हो जाता है बच्चों, बिकॉज ये साइंटिफिक इन नेचर है. मैंने आपको जैसे बताया ही, इसमें काफी एडवांस फाइंडिंग आती है, तो मैं समझती हूँ आप लोग को थोड़ी सी परेशानी हो सकती है इसको समझने के लिए. मैंने आपको सैंपल और एग्जाम्पल बताए हैं कि आपके लिए क्या सूटेबल होगा और किस तरीके की चॉइसेस और रोल्स ऑफ पोटेंशियल्स आपके अंदर प्रेजेंट हैं. आप में से जो स्टूडेंट्स, जैसे कि सर ने मेंशन किया, अगर आप में से कोई 1-to-1 अपनी रिपोर्ट के साथ डिस्कस करना चाहे एक्सपर्ट से, कि आप चाहते हैं कि इन डिटेल एनालिसिस हो, तो आप हमारी टीम को अप्रोच कर सकते हैं. So that's all from my side. Over to you, Swapnil sir.
So thank you, Divya ji. It was a really wonderful explanation by you about like how to read this report. And I'm sure this report will play a very crucial role to make the career path very smooth and to make a career very much bright of these students. Because we understand as a, like as a coach, as a career guide, this is a very important time running for the student to take a right decision for the career, because there are multiple options are available in market. So which career path will be very much suitable to the students? I hope this particular format of this report and the test will help them to take a right decision for their career. जो भी डिसीजन उनका होगा वो उनकी पर्सनैलिटी से मैच करता हुआ होगा, जो भी डिसीजन वो कोर्स का लेंगे वो उनकी पर्सनैलिटी से मैच करता हुआ लेंगे, so that आगे जाके वो किसी भी प्रॉब्लम को फेस नहीं करेंगे. Now I'm just putting up the link for the student who are interested to take the one-to-one counseling. They will have to fill up this particular form. जो भी बच्चे इंटरेस्टेड हैं वन टू वन काउंसलिंग के लिए, मैंने लिंक आपके चैट बॉक्स में डाली हुई है. आप उस लिंक पे प्लीज क्लिक करिए और अपनी डिटेल हमारे पास भेजिए. विद इन 2 and 3 days you will get a call from our site with a time slot in which our psychologist will be connected by us to you to help you to take a right decision for your career. तो मैंने एक लिंक डाली हुई है चैट बॉक्स में जिसमें बच्चे क्लिक करेंगे उसके थ्रू वो अपना इंक्वायरी फॉर्म फिलअप करके देंगे और हमारे तरफ से कॉल जाएगा, हमारे जो साइकोलॉजिस्ट हैं वो अप्रोच करेंगे आपको और आपको हेल्प करेंगे कि आपके करियर का राइट डिसीजन जो कि आपकी स्किल, आपकी इंटेलिजेंस से मैच करता है, कैसे आप वो डिसीजन ले सकते हैं, राइट। तो मैंने लिंक आप लोगों को भेजी है, बच्चे उस पर क्लिक कर सकते हैं एंड यू कैन गो हेड। इसके अलावा अगर किसी भी बच्चे का कोई भी क्वेश्चन है तो आप चैट बॉक्स में अपने क्वेश्चन यहां पुट अप कर सकते हैं, Q&A सेक्शन में आप अपने क्वेश्चन पुट अप कर सकते हैं। हम नेक्स्ट 5 मिनट 5 to 10 मिनट्स हमारे पास हैं जिसमें हम इन क्वेश्चंस के आंसर आपको देंगे। यहाँ पर रिया, डॉक्टर राजेंद्र, कैन यू टेक अप दिस सेशन फॉर द Q&A, timing? This is Ms. Ria Jain is asking some question about the positive finding. So can you take up this session now? Dr. Rajendra Pandey is requested to take up the Q&A session. There are multiple questions are asked by the student. Dr. Rajendra, are you listening me? Okay, fine. I think there is some, problem, maybe network problem. So he is not able to understand or maybe listen. Dr. Rajendra, can you listen me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I can.
There are multiple questions in the Q&A, section. So I would request to kindly answer the, questions. One question is coming from Ria Jain. So you can read the question and you can answer the question from there.
Yeah. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Now Ria is asking, as in my positive finding, it comes to be musical, but ma'am or sir, I'm only interested to listen music, not to be singing, and my voice is not so good. Okay. Yes, Ria, you are very much oriented and aware that this whole of the test is based on your preferences, your answers. So the answer for the item number related to the musical aspects, you have opted or provided on the basis of that this result is coming. So if you have marked lot many answers regarding to the musical and all dimensions, so that is the reason this is coming. And if this sort of result is coming, that is called outliers. What is outliers? If you are not reading the appropriate questions and on the basis of your previous assumptions, if you are giving your answer, this will be outliers. So I think there will be something which has to read again to correct the answer. Because, suppose if you are in a jungle and you are not navigating yourself, what you will do? The best option would be to just check the North Pole and the South Pole region. That is not going to change anyhow. So this is your personality genesis and your self attribution. So if you are going to mark it correctly, this will come very correct inclination towards the significant finding. So now I think Ria, if you are not good in singing and the musical is coming, so what could be the else option? I'm going to discuss about it. So musical, if you look at the musical part, it does not have only a singing sort of things. It is also related to the acoustic engineering. You know what is it? Acoustic engineering is a kind of engineering where you also go and have a electrical engineering, a sort of courses, the career which has relation with the musical ability, like I said, acoustics or acoustic engineering, or maybe the sort of coaches or as Divya ma'am said, lot many related to this career. So this is about it. So musical does not only relate about the, what I would say, music or the music related career. It is also about the sort of engineering which has acoustic engineering. Nowadays, acoustic engineering are growing like anything. So this would be the good solution. Yes. Now the next question. I think let me say it.
One question is coming from Mr. Aryan Chaurasia. He is
Yes,
asking
sir.
that please tell us the profession for the interpersonal intelligence.
Sure, sure. So interpersonal, if you look at the content of interpersonal, your imbiases, attributes, it reveals that the person who is having interpersonal, this sort of, attributes have behavior about the, communication, people of their situation, including other people. So this is about the one-to-one interaction or the interpersonal relations. So the profession is related to the highly dominated area of the emotional or the emotional quotient, I would say. So if you are the individual, and a man is a social animal, and you do have a very good interpersonal sort of attributes, you may go for psychology. Psychology is the the career, the path of career where you all can have genesis of individuality, how the psychologist is going to read about the emotion. So sort of behavioral science, psychology, and maybe could be the HR management or the MBA. This sort of career would be very, very, very relevant for that particular genesis, I would say. Sir, I'm not audible, sir. Sir,
Okay, next question is coming from Mridul Niranjan. How to remain calm during the pressure time?
yes, sir. I don't think so. It is related to the question
How
I
to
mean
remain
taste.
calm during the pressure time?
Yes, sir. I don't think so. This question is related to the this test, multiple intelligence test. But although how we should handle while we are in stress time, the very simple. There is a. I would like to quote Divya ma'am's example, first slide example. The brain works like a computer. What you are going to get, what you are going to process, what you are going to effect. So there is a three chamber of brain that is called input, processing, and output. So during the stress time, if you are going to get these things very nicely, very generously, that is not going to harm your processing. So there should be a good, reception. There should be a good processing and good effector. So if this is going to happen, the stress will be burnout, not going to get into the processing, the mechanism. And this is the very, very easy and good solution. We should not get things, filter the things while you are going to get into the processing. तो कोई भी चीज आपको वातावरण से मिलता है तो उसको उतना ही लीजिए जितनी उसकी जरूरत हो, और उसको ब्रेन में उतना ही जाने दीजिए जितना उसको प्रोसेसिंग में होना चाहिए, और उतने ही उसके हिसाब से आप अफेक्ट कीजिए. सो इससे अच्छा मैकेनिज्म कुछ भी नहीं हो सकता है. सो स्ट्रेसर कैन बी सप्रेस्ड, filtered, altered. It will not multiply into the brain. So this is the good solution, I think so.
Okay, so many questions are there.
Sir.
Like I want to do further engineering, but my report is totally different from my thinking.
So the answer is same. I said this entire test is based on the persons or individuals giving the answers or attributes. There is a 4 option. This option is nothing. It's about intensity of self-genesis, self-attribution. I'm disagreed, I'm agreed, I'm not agreed. So this is a sort of intention. This is sort of this intention, or I would say the intensity. So if you are giving the wrong or the outliers answers, your result will be ultimately little insignificant, I would say. So that is the reason while we started the questionnaire or the test, we said nothing is right and wrong. Whatever you feels that it is the perfect to you, so you should opt that. That doesn't happen, it seems, because as I said, attribution is a inborn genesis. ये जन्म से ही होता है, इसमें बदलाव नहीं हो सकता है. तो कहीं ना कहीं थोड़ा सा कॉन्ट्राडिक्टरी हो गया उनका स्टेटमेंट। आप इन फ्यूचर चाहे तो इसको आप फिर से एक बार कर सकते हैं तो राइट होगा, इसमें थोड़ा सा कॉन्ट्रा इंडिकेटर है सर।
Okay, so I think more than 150 questions are there. It will be very much difficult to answer all the questions. I have put up the, like inquiry form or maybe one-to-one inquiry form, one-to-one counseling form in the chat box. Who are interested, they can fill up the form, and within 3 to 4 working days, you will get a call from our side to set your slot with the counselor or maybe psychologist. And next time they will help you one to one to take a right decision, or maybe they will help you to choose your career also. If you are having some personality related problem or the questions, they will help you to solve these problems and question. If you are having any career related problem and questions, they will help you to take the decision in this domain also. So right, because already we have crossed around 2 hours in this particular session, which was decided for 1.5 hours, but session was very much interesting. Students were taking much interest, so we have increased the timing. But now I think right now we will have to close this session because of the time constraint. So I would like to thanks all the attendees, all the panelists to give your valuable time for this particular test. And I hope this test and this session will play a very crucial role to take a right decision for the attendees, for the student to make their career bright. So all the best to all the attendees for your best career. And thank you so much, all the participants, all the panelists for coming together here and giving your valuable time. Thank you so much. Now we are closing this particular meeting. I would request all the attendees who are interested for one-to-one counseling. Again, I'm pasting here the link. Through that particular form, you can book the appointment with the psychologist. अगेन आई एम रिपीटिंग, इस लिंक के द्वारा आप साइकोलॉजिस्ट से अपॉइंटमेंट फिक्स अप कर सकते हैं। हालांकि ये रिनाउंड साइकोलॉजिस्ट हैं, इनका मार्केट में कम से कम 5 से 10 हजार रुपए पर आवर ये लेते हैं, लेकिन इस वेबिनार के कारण, इस इवेंट के कारण ये बिल्कुल फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट काउंसलिंग देंगे आपको। अगर आप चाहते हैं इनकी एक्सपर्टीज को यूज करना अपने करियर को ब्राइट करने के लिए, तो आप इस लिंक पे जाके अपना रजिस्ट्रेशन कीजिए। ये फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट है बिल्कुल रजिस्ट्रेशन। विद इन 3 to 4 वर्किंग डेज आपके पास कॉल आएगा और आपको स्लॉट दिया जाएगा, डेट दी जाएगी, टाइमिंग दी जाएगी, जिसपे हमारे यहाँ से कॉल आएगा आपके यहाँ पे, और साइकोलॉजिस्ट जो हैं वो आपसे कांटेक्ट में आएंगे और वो आपको हेल्प करेंगे आपके फ्यूचर, आपके करियर, आपकी पर्सनैलिटी के बारे में डिसीजन लेने के लिए। So thank you so much once again, all the participants, attendees, and my heartfelt thanks to all the panelists, all the renowned psychologists who have spared their very valuable time here. The mainly Dr. Deepa, who is heading the department, who has spared a complete day for this particular session. Dr. Rajendra, who has spared a complete day for this. Dr. Divya, for a wonderful session to the student. Dr. Deepak also for supporting this event. Dr. Shubhagita, and mainly Dr. Dinesh Sharma, who has configured, who has made this whole platform to give the particular test. For a successful running this platform, I should congratulate Dr. Dinesh Sharma for having a wonderful platform. So thank you so much for all the panelists and the participants. Now we are leaving the meeting. Once again, all the best. Thank you so much.